In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage projects in HubSpot. This quick guide will walk you through the essential steps, helping you navigate your way through HubSpot's project management tools in just 5 minutes. Whether you're an experienced user or new to HubSpot, you'll discover how easy and efficient it can be to handle your projects with confidence. To get started, you'll want to head over to the HubSpot homepage. This is the central hub, no pun intended, where you'll find all the tools and resources HubSpot has to offer. Once you're on their homepage, your first step is to click on the Login button. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials. If not, you'll need to sign up, but that's a topic for another day. After you've logged in, you'll be taken to the HubSpot home. This is essentially your dashboard where everything you need is right at your fingertips. As you get familiar with this space, you'll find it's designed with user experience in mind, making it intuitive and straightforward. From there, you'll need to access your profile, which contains all the personal settings and preferences you have for your account. This is found under your name in the upper right corner. By clicking on your profile, you reveal a drop-down menu with several options. What we're interested in though goes by the name of Projects. Select this from the drop-down to dive into project management. When you click on Projects, it'll open a new window that displays all the projects you're currently working on. This is your base of operations, where you orchestrate all the moving parts of your tasks. You'll see a clear and concise layout, so you have an overview of each project's status, the key details, and any deadlines you need to be mindful of. Next, click on All Projects to see a comprehensive list. This is particularly useful if you're juggling multiple projects at once. It allows you to have a snapshot view of everything you've got on your plate, making it easier to prioritize tasks and allocate your time and resources more effectively. The interface is very visual with easy to read charts and lists, which help in keeping everything organized. There you have it, a streamlined approach to managing your projects in HubSpot. By following these steps, you will have set the stage for efficient project management, helping ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Remember to regularly check your dashboard and update your projects as you go, making adjustments when necessary. This proactive approach is key to staying on top of your goals and deadlines. I hope this guide has been insightful and inspires you to leverage HubSpot's tools to their fullest potential. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore more of our tutorials to continue mastering HubSpot.